Hey guys, welcome to Yogi's Trading Lounge. What a day today! A massive fall in the market, around 100 points, and yeah, the recession fears are back in the market. We had some job data which was not so good, and there was a heavy set-off. And I'm happy I could make the most of the volatility and most of the fall to realize a profit of around $900. And then also there is an ongoing trade which is currently $366 in profit. So overall, if you see the sum of realized and unrealized profit, it's more than $1,200. So one of the best days for me today in the market because of the jobs data number which was not so good. And yeah, like let's see what happens. It looks very probable that the US is already in a recession, so we might have many more days of fall. But this is how the market went today, and this is what I could accomplish. You see here, I was already short of the market, and around 10:44 a.m. I booked a profit of $1571 USD in futures. And then I had a short put option as well. I booked a loss of 929 US dollars in the short put option. So overall, if you see, 1571 minus 929, so this is 642 US dollars profit. And then I'm converting it to CAD. 642 USD to CAD, so that is $872 Canadian. So that's my profit that I realized today, which you can also see here in realized profit. Then around 10:46 a.m. I again shorted the future at a price of 5444, and also shorted at the money put option at $77 at the same time. And that trade has been going on quite well. As you can see, the price here is around 5404. So I'm in profit in the futures and loss in the option, ATM option, which I bought as a hedge. So the net profit as of now is $366, which is ongoing, and 871 or $872 is the realized profit. So let's see what's happening in the market. So this is the market as of now. This is the daily chart of S&P 500 futures. So if you see what the super trade T2 is indicating, so it gave a short signal just today, right? This I just use it for reference. I do have some other technical analysis tools that I use, like flag patterns or trend lines, but a super trend helps to confirm the trend. So if you see, let's go to S&P 500 chart because it will show us the data points as well. Here is the chart of S&P 500, and here you can see this is today's data. So the non-farm payrolls number came at 142,000, and the forecast was 160,000. So that was a soft number. Like, it was not as per expectation, it was a little bit less than expectation. Plus there was a revision to the earlier numbers. The job numbers for the previous month, they were revised to 89,000. So it came as a huge surprise. Like, it's not at all a healthy number of job additions, and some people fear that the US might already be in a recession. And even now, till now, there has been no rate cut. People anticipate that in September, but some think it's going to be too little too late. So it remains to be seen. There are other data points next week. Most notable one is the inflation rate, which will come on 11th of September. So let's see that how it goes. So as far as market is concerned, I can see that it is an inverted flag pattern that is forming. So if you see here, I'm starting from this candle. See, so this is the inverted flag pattern. Let me just draw a small rectangle here. to complete the flag, right? So this is the flag, right? This is the pole of the flag, this is the flag, and then today what we saw was a breakdown of the flag, right? So it's a classic textbook example of inverted flag breakdown. And yeah, it's a bearish pattern, but I don't think it's over. It will continue in the future. So some of the possibilities in a way that it might continue is are like some of the possibilities are, so it continues in this fashion, right? Stair step fashion. So that's one of the possibilities. And another possibility is that we might see a little bit of a pullback, right? Maybe a little bit of pullback, and then a big fall might resume again. So that's one of the possibilities as well. But I don't think that it would end so fast, like the fall would end so fast. If you see the super trend here, so this is where the fall started, the previous one in July, and it continued for quite a while, for a couple of weeks, right? About a month. So this has just started on 6th of September, which is today. So I think the upcoming weeks will be very bearish as well. It remains to be seen what happens, but yeah, that's how it looks. And also, if you see the weekly chart, right? Let's go to the weekly chart. So on the weekly chart, I want to show you that there is a very nice double top formation here, which you can see clearly, right? This area corresponds to the top. And if you see a leading indicator like relative strength index, or RSI, the RSI from this top here, somewhere here, is declining, right? So if I make this a little bit wider here, so this is the top, and you can see it's horizontal, so it's top and RSI is going down, right? So you can already see a bearish RSI divergence. So yeah, that's also an indication of reduced buying interest that we can see, right? So if you see here, RSI is going down. So I don't like to use too many indicators, but just something I wanted to share with you. So this is also one of the things to note. But yes, like it appears like the market has topped out, and next support looks to be around this level in S&P 500, which is around 5,250 levels. So it remains to be seen. There are a couple of data points that are coming up, but right now it seems that the trend one after other is confirming that not all is good, not all is well with the job market, and we might actually be in a recession kind of scenario. So yeah, that's what I wanted to discuss with you guys. I'm happy that I could capitalize on the volatility and capitalize on the fall to make around $900, and one of the best days for me, because I booked a profit of around 900 and there's a $366 profit going on, so overall more than $1,200. So yeah, I'm quite happy with the performance, and hopefully in the coming days, if there is volatility, I would be able to capitalize on that as well. That being said, I wish all of you happy trading. Hopefully you can make good profits as well by following the trend of the market. And if you like this video, please press the like button and also subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all in the next video. Thank you.